Yeah, I have chubby cheeks today because I took off 4 wisdom teeth. I'm like fully not healed. It's only my 4th day, but let's still get ready together to go pick up my boyfriend from the airport. For those that know, I've been doing long distance for 2 years now, and then he moved to LA in September. But since then, I had a batch trip, I had retreat, I went to Korea, and after I came back, he just left to Seattle. Yeah, it was like long distance all over again, but he's back today and I'm gone tomorrow again for a family trip. So let me at least be somewhat presentable today with this huge cheek. I don't know why only this side is like big. And to get started, let's do some YesStyle unboxing because I want to use this lip product that I got. I got this Mini Roman lip gloss, restocking on Astuda, and I got this Muzi Gay Mansion lip tint, blush from Dayzique. I have to use this one today. Espa contour palette, restock on mixing serum, restock on my sunscreen. I got 2 Roman mini lip tints, Vanilla Co blush, Skin Food toner pad, but also restock on my Medicube pore pad and 2 face masks. And most importantly, my shampoo and conditioner from Fino. I tried it pretty recently, but I think this is my 3rd bottle already. Like, I love it so much. It's hard to move my face right now, okay? Especially my lips. Like, I can't fully smile. Anyways, let me start with the foundation. So I got this custom shade from Hera in Korea. Guys, I got so many new products from Korea, but I wish I could show you today. I think that would be so ideal, but I kind of didn't unpack those yet. And my sister's getting married in like 2 weeks, so we're roommates, so this room is really small. So after she moves, I'm gonna buy a whole new drawer so I could like fit everything, because right now my vanity is overflowing, so I can't unbox new makeup right now, so they're on hold. But also, if you didn't get a chance to see, I've been on my Korea glow up series on my shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. So I don't know if you could tell yet, I got some permanent makeup done on my face, aka my eyebrows. So I've been saving way more time in the morning. I think that's good enough. Guys, my cheeks were even bigger than this. Like, I did my color analysis again and I got warm tone. But oh my gosh, this is so cool tone. What do I do? I feel like if I get a little bit whiter, because I'm kind of tan right now. I was so excited for this. Oh my gosh, this is so random, but that song Spaghetti from Le Seraphim has been stuck in my head the whole day. No, it's actually so annoying because at Korea, I got fat melting injections. So I got rid of my cheek fat and my double chin, but like they're all back because I got my wisdom teeth removed. The fact that I don't need to do my eyebrows. All right, it's time to try this new blush. The shades are like really close to each other, but very slightly different. I'm thinking like, should I like just do the whole cheek like that? I just feel like chubby cheeks with blush would look cute. Yeah, just overall everywhere. And also because my brush is so big, I'm just mixing everything. They're very similar anyways. Oh my gosh, it's cute. It's cute. But I like how this blush has like a blur effect. Amazing. Well, I never applied blush like so widely before. Next to YesStyle. I usually do more of like a pinky color, but today I'm gonna go with a little bit more like brown. Ever since my color analysis changed to warm tone, I'm like having identity crisis here. Like all my makeup stuff and my vanity, all just cool tone. Even my clothes, I only have cool tone clothes. I'm in a little bit confusion. Like I don't know who to trust anymore. Like guys, I got my makeup done professionally in Korea. I know I'm talking about Korea so much, but like I just want to tell you guys about it. I got my makeup professionally done 3 times. I looked so Korean. I've never seen that kind of look on my face. Every time like I pass by a mirror, I'll be like, who's she? And honestly, I learned a lot of like techniques because I was able to ask makeup artist questions, like all my concerns of like when I do my makeup. But why did I forget everything? But I recorded everything. It might be on my vlog footages, so let me just go through it later. Now let me move on to eyeliner. Now I was thinking about what kind of costume I want to wear for Halloween. Fun fact, I've never trick-or-treated in my life. And I don't remember the last time I dressed up as something for Halloween. Yeah, I don't know. What's the trend? What are you guys going to be for Halloween? I did like nothing like fall Halloween related. Like no haunted house, no pumpkin patch. But actually a fun fact, I've never been to a pumpkin patch either. We're gonna go with Amelie Spicy Peach highlighter. YesStyle. Okay, like blends in with my skin tone, but also it's a really nice accent. It's kind of like neon orange right now. Nose tip. Today is a mascara day, no falsies. But also guys, you know that every lashes that I always wear, they're closing by the end of this year. So I'm so sad. Now I gotta look for new lashes. So if you guys have any lash recommendations for monolid eyes, please let me know. Let me pinch the roots with my regular. And for mascara, I'm gonna use the Flower Nose mascara. This has been my new go-to, guys. This is actually so good. Like the way it locks my lashes in place. Wait, I think it turned out so cute. It's very clumpy, not the most even, but that's at least something. Like it shows. Okay, to my other lashes too. I think this one came out just longer. Okay, anyways, my favorite part now. This is like really very natural. I think this one might be better. You know what? Let's mix both. I'm gonna put the lighter one as my base. So moisturizing, but there's like no color coming out. I guess it just like brightened my lips a little, which is nice. And then with the second one, okay, this one is very natural too. Okay, I think there was no point of putting the first one, but I wish it was a little less pinky. So let me mix this orange gloss, glow concealer. Okay, let's see if the hair is okay to go, because if not, I have to do them. Well, my hair smells so good. Fino. I think it's fine. It's just that like my cheeks are just not giving. Okay, we'll go like this. Oh yeah! For perfume though, I'm gonna go with this Tambourines that I got from Korea. This is a very new kind of scent on me. Like it's not floral. I don't know if you guys could see, but I'm just gonna wear like this. And then for the accent, I'm gonna have a red bag. Anyways, this is the end of my video. I feel like I was just all over the place, but love chatting with you guys once again. I never get to talk this much in front of a camera because short forms are too short, but I get to yap here. Well, I'll see you guys again without this whole mess. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment if you have any questions or recommendations. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!